Intelligent storage and distribution project case for materials of different specification. Manually load materials of different specification into jigs or material boxes. Undercover AGVs deliver materials of various specs and forms to designated storage areas. 7-inch trays are conveyed to the automatic feeding mechanism of the intelligent material silo. Robotic arm automatic feeding. The CCD automatically captures images and uploads the tray information to the system. Silo robotic arm places materials into system-assigned storage locations per system instructions. "13-inch trays and special shipped materials are conveyed to the buffer zone for manual warehousing. Scan the QR codes on the intelligent inductive rack with APDA. Pick up trays and scan QR codes on them. Place trays into any storage location of the rack. After storage location sensors detect tray placement, inductive light flashes, indicating warehousing completion. Use PDA to scan QR codes on tray or PCB and location codes on the lighted rack. Place materials into box and press the light to finish warehousing. Intelligent silo robotic arm receives outbound task and retrieve trays from corresponding storage locations. The CCD scans the QR codes, captures images and verifies the outbound information for the outbound trays. The CCD performs a secondary QR code scan and image capture on the trays and assigns an outbound port. Trays flow into corresponding material boxes per order requirements. Intelligent rack outbound, manual scan of rack QR codes. Inductive lights light up. Retrieve trays at lighted storage locations and place onto industrial trolley. The inductive lights go out to complete the outbound process. Indicator lights at lighted rack locations light up, indicating outbound. Retrieve materials and press the light to finish outbound. Manually place materials of different specification into the customized mobile material cart. The underride AGV delivers the mobile material cart to the production line. Underride AGV transports line return materials to the fully automatic X-ray counting and labeling machine. The industrial robotic arm automatically picks and places materials. The X-ray machine automatically performs material counting. Material counting info auto-upload to system, print corresponding labels. The labeling robotic arm automatically picks up the labels and applies with high precision. After the labeling process is completed, the robotic arm automatically unloads the materials. After counting and labeling processes are completed, the materials are re-warehoused. Subsequently,